Humans have impacted aquatic ecosystems in a number of ways. Some of these impacts are intentional, whereas others are unintended consequences of human activities. In some cases, organisms are catastrophically impacted by these changes, and organisms die off locally. In other cases, organisms simply face new selective pressures in their environment that they must deal with. These pressures can lead to selection for or against certain traits that were beneficial to the organism before the environmental changes occurred. Occasionally, organisms are largely unaffected or may even benefit from human-induced environmental changes. Eutrophication can occur when humans introduce excessive nutrients into aquatic systems. These nutrients, often in the form of fertilizers, facilitate increased primary production. In some cases, these increases in photosynthesizing organisms, such as algae, can leave the water turbid or less clear. In extreme cases, this eutrophication can lead to more production than the system can handle and cause events such as toxic, harmful algal blooms. The introduction of non-native predators may mean that fish are at a greater risk of predation. If these new predators behave differently than native predators, native species may struggle to adapt. Rainbow trout, which are native to western North America, have been introduced around the world as a recreationally and commercially fished species. Some prey species that may struggle to deal with these introduced predators. In some cases, native predators are overfished. When fish populations are overfished, they not only become scarce, the remaining fish are on average smaller. This human-induced change may influence their prey in unique ways. The construction of dams to create reservoirs functionally changes a flowing river or stream into a lake. This dramatically shifts the ecosystem and has wide-ranging consequences beyond a change in flow rate, including higher local primary production, differences in the types of plants and algae that survive there, as well as higher water temperatures in many cases.